Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all well and having a great day. If you're new around here, my name's Amanda. I post weekly videos on lifestyle, DIY, motherhood and a little bit of everything really. So feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified of when I post new videos. And for all of you that have already subscribed, thank you so much for supporting me. I really do appreciate you. I'm going to be doing a little giveaway when I get to 1k subscribers, so please make sure your notification bell is turned on for that giveaway. Yeah, so yesterday I done my first come shop with me video since lockdown. Little Oakley was with me as well, so we did go to a few different shops, but I just want to show you what I actually picked up in Poundland, because I did get most of the items from Poundland, and I've also got some amazing bits from Poundland as always. So yes, what have I got to show you today? It is quite a lot. It might be a long video, so grab yourself a cool drink or hot drink and make yourself comfortable, ready to watch this haul. Okay, so I've got a bit of homeware, stationery, beauty items and a little bit of items for Father's Day as well. If you'd like to see what I picked up in Poundland for June 2020 and what's new for Poundland June 2020, please keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to start with beauty products. I came across these hand creams. They're absolutely amazing. I've been using the olive oil one. My hands, and I'm sure a lot of your hands since the whole lockdown thing where we've been washing our hands constantly, have become so dry and so brittle. This cream has actually revived my hands back to its normal state, I would say. So I've got the olive oil one here. I've also got the anti-age one, which also contains Q10, and I've got the rose one as well. The rose one is what I put into the second gift box that I made up for my last video. That video was amazing actually. I so enjoyed doing that. These creams are just £1 each in Poundland. I've been online and checked the price of these online. They are a lot more than £1, that's all I'm saying. Now, they're packed with goodness. So, for example, the rose one, you've got rosemary, shea butter, jojoba oil, vitamin E, and rose fragrance oil. Amazing. The Q10 one, the anti-age one, it's got vitamin B3, vitamin E, argan, and soya bean oil. And then this one, the olive oil one that I'm using right now, has got olive oil, of course, aloe vera, shea butter, and vitamin E. Okay, so that was the first of the beauty items. Next up, this nail polish that I'm wearing right now is from Poundland, and it's their, I think it's their Time to Shine collection. I don't really wear nail polish often, but you know, before lockdown, of course, when you're going out with your friends and all that kind of thing, I'll put like the stick-on nails on, or I would put like a nice polish on as well. So, but since lockdown, to be fair, I've been doing a lot of self-care and sort of just looking after myself. Painting my nails is one of the tips for sort of like the self-care. When your hands look good, you know, you look down on your hands, you just feel, you know, you feel good. I don't know if it's just me, but I feel good when my nails are painted. So I've got this in Poundland, and I wouldn't say it's absolutely amazing, but it is absolutely amazing, guys. I'm wearing it right now, and it's such a gorgeous, subtle colour, and I love it. So, okay, so that's that. Okay, so next up, I picked up one of these foot masks. This is the Rejuvenating Action Foot Mask with vitamin E and vitamin C. Oh, and also it contains argan oil. This one is suitable for all skin types, so I thought I'd just pick that up. It's sort of, again, it's part of the self-care package. Plus, I'm thinking of doing like a little gift set for my husband for Father's Day as well. So that's probably going to go in there. So that's that. On my last video, you would have seen that I made up the gift boxes. I use these face cloths, and you get 2 for £1 in Poundland. Amazing quality, 100% cotton as well. And, you know, not go wrong. 2 face cloths for £1, you know, brilliant. Next, I picked up the Derma V10. This is the clay mask, the red algae one, which is a brightening one. And I also picked up another clay mask with the charcoal in it, the detoxifying one. This is so brilliant. I'm on my second jar of this, and it's just so amazing. I love it on my face. I love it on my skin. It's just absolutely amazing product for £1, guys. You really can't go wrong. So next up, I picked up these travel jars. Now, I don't know if you can see from here. You get 5 jars that graduate downwards, so you've got 5 different sizes there. And I thought these were just handy for just to have, because I thought I'd get these because I actually want to start making up my own skincare products again and just have them in here. I thought that was amazing value for £1. Brilliant. And they're also good just to buy now in case you want to go on holiday You know, I don't know how the whole holiday thing's gonna work, but it's always good to have them and just put them in your suitcase ready for when you want to go on holiday. So I've got those. Okay, so next up I've got some Gemaline cream. It doesn't come under beauty, but it comes under that sort of, you know, I don't know, medication umbrella. So I've got this anyway because when we go to the park, you know, Oakley likes to go into like the little dens and stuff. You know, every now and again we get like stung by the stinging nettles or a mosquito bite. So I thought I'd just get that. You can just apply it to the bite and then, you know, you're good to go really. So got that. Okay, so that's the beauty items. Okay, so next I'm going to show you some of the cleaning products that I've picked up. Okay, so the first item that I picked up in the cleaning section is Flash Traditional Floor Cleaner. I wasn't sure about getting this because it was £2, you know, but when I smelled it, I thought, oh my gosh, it smells lovely. It's got that clean, fresh smell to it. And what it has on there, it says it has the scent of natural French soap. Now I used to make my own soaps and it does actually smell like a soap that I used to make. I used to make like this French lavender soap and it smells very similar to that. I absolutely love the smell of lavender sort of in the background, and that is what this is. So I picked this up, it's £2 and it's dermatology tested and it's also free from ammonia. So that's that. Okay, so next up I picked up this Astonish oven and cookware cleaner. Absolutely amazing, brilliant for taking scuffs off on your skirting boards, or you know, just to use generally around the house, not just for the oven and the cookware. Hubby actually used this to clean the barbecue with a few days ago, and I must say it took off all the rust from the barbecue. I don't know if you know Astonish products, they're all vegan and they're not tested on animals as well, so amazing value for £1 for that. Okay, so next in the cleaning products I picked up some of these. I picked up a bag of their antibacterial household wipes. This one is the lemon and mandarin one. As you guys know, I love anything citrus to clean the house with, and also lavender. This one you get 90 antibacterial wipes and it kills 99% of germs as well, so that's absolutely amazing value for that. This is a random one. I just picked up some socks, some grey socks. You get 3 pairs of socks for £2, so I just picked those up. You've got 3 different colours. Just open it and show you actually, so I'm going to use them. My local Poundland, they don't do the whole range of the Pep and Coal clothes, but they do have the odd socks and slippers and all that kind of stuff. So you've got one like this, got a grey stripy one, and then you've got one with some hearts on it. So I thought I'd just get those to wear in the house. At £2 you can't go wrong really. Okay, so next up I picked up this, this was in the garden section. So when I got home I took off the packaging and then I realised this is not £1, this is actually £3 guys, but it's a planter. You have a set of 3 pots there and it comes in this, sorry for the rattling, and it comes in this little tray. So I thought the tray on its own I can use that to do like a little DIY with, but and I thought I can just have these on the kitchen windowsill and put some herb plants in there, and it's got the chalkboard sign there as well, but I've taken the package off so I can't actually return it. So it is quite nice, but I don't think I really would have paid £3 for it if I knew it was £3. But hey, it happens sometimes. So that's that. Okay, so next up in the kitchen section I picked up this storage box. It holds 4.2 litres and it is BPA free. So I thought I'd get this because we buy fresh watermelon and when we cut it, really, I never have somewhere to really store it. So I can just slice it all up, pop it in there, pop the lid on, and this can just go inside the fridge. And this was £1 guys, so amazing value. I might go back and get a few of these because I think they sort of sit inside each other. So really good kitchen storage solution there, brilliant. Okay, so next up in the garden section, but sort of like in the homeware, I picked up these 2 glasses. These glasses are screaming out holiday, Love Island, Prosecco, pink gin, you know, the list is endless. Love them. They've got this kind of like Hawaii theme going on here, but you can actually take that off, so just take it off like that, and then you've got like a Love Island glass. I thought those were brilliant, you know. After lockdown I'm sure everyone's going to be having loads of barbecues and meeting up with their friends, and you know just doing things that we normally would do. So I thought I'd just get these ready. I only picked up 2 of them. There was 4 there, so I thought I'd take 2 and leave 2 for someone else to pick up. But if I go back and I see more, I would actually get some more, you know. But brilliant value, £1 each guys. Love Island glasses, love them. Okay, so next up I got these. I picked up 4 of these mugs. They by, is it Medema? They have the green cheese plant leaf on it and also a pink swan. Absolutely love those. So like I said, I've got 4 of them, and these are going to go so well with my Aldi bamboo set. So if I'm out in the garden having a cup of tea in here, which will actually match everything else that I've got from Aldi as well. I know it's not an Aldi haul. You've seen my Aldi haul, you would have seen my homeware items that I had, and they're absolutely amazing. So these are going to go so well with it, and I'm so glad I got them. Okay, so I picked up this jar. I'm a sucker for jars. I've got so many jars. Our top of that kitchen cupboard is just full of jars. But I just love this. Look at this, guys. So you've got the natural rope handle, and it's like a mason kind of style jar. I suppose you can put a candle inside, you know. And on here, I don't know if you can see the font or the text that it says. It says, "Home is happiness." I just had to get it, you know. I had to get it. So I've got that. Next I picked up some of these candle matches, and these are like the long matches. I'm going to do a hack with this as well, using one of those lovely jars that I picked up in Poundland a while back. So keep your eyes peeled for that video. So that's those. Okay, so next up I'm going to show you some stationery items. So I've picked up some photo paper. This is the 5x7" photo paper, the gloss photo paper. Then I found this. Now I wish I saw this before I was doing my little gift set DIY, because this is actually glue dots on a roll, and that is what I needed at that time. I was actually picking up the glue dots, sticking them on. With this, it's going to make my life a lot easier when it comes to crafts. So I'm so glad I found this in Poundland, and you know, all of these, and this was £1. So brilliant. It doesn't say, oh it does say you get 200 glue dots on there, and it's on a dispenser roller. Fantastic, brilliant idea. Anyone that does crafts, you need to get one of these. So yeah, brilliant. Okay, so next up I needed to get some sticky labels. So I've got these sticky labels. They come in a roll like so. You get does it say how many you get in there? It doesn't actually say how many you get in there, but like you can see it's quite a big roll. So you know, again, you can't really go wrong with those. So I'm going to use this for all sorts of things around the house. And I need to label up some jars in the kitchen. I'm waiting for some chalkboard signs to arrive, but this can do the job as well, temporary. So I thought I'd get those, and also to organise my office. So brilliant. Okay, so next up I got the zebra pens. Yeah, so you get a 2-pack of gel pens, the zebra pens from Poundland there. These are the black ink ones, and again, you can't really go wrong for £1 for 2. I saw these in Tesco and they were like a little bit more. They were like, I think they were £2.50 for 2, and in Poundland you're getting a pack of 2 for £1. So it's a no-brainer really. I don't know why anyone would want to buy stationery anywhere else than Poundland or the budget stores, because you're getting the same thing in Poundland for £1 that you will buy in Tesco for £2.50. Don't get it really. Why would you want to do that? But anyway, these are in Poundland, 2 for £1. Brilliant again. Fantastic. Okay, so next up in the stationery section and the craft section, I picked up these craft scissors. These are what I used on my last project as well. They really came in handy for cutting the wrapping paper with. You know, like when you've got a small scissors and you're trying to cut wrapping paper and it's going everywhere. This was a lifesaver during that project, trust me. So I'm glad I got these, and yeah, £1 in Poundland, guys. Okay, so next up in the stationery, I managed to find this. So you've got a whole ream of printer paper. This is suitable for laser, copier and inkjet printers. So again, you can't really go wrong with this. And does it say how much GS? It doesn't actually say what gram it is. That's the only thing. No, it doesn't say how much grams you get in it. But you do get 500 sheets. So I'm just going to be using this for my own office use. So that's absolutely fine. And this was actually £3 in Poundland, but I can appreciate that. So that's that there. Then in the stationery, I got this folder. Well, it's like what is it? It's a box file. So I've been doing like my own I've been doing my own printing, and I just need something to sort of hold the A4 sheets in. So this is absolutely perfect. You've got like 2 elastic bits on the side there to hold everything into place. And again, you can't go wrong for £1, guys. And I do actually like that kind of natural colour as well. Okay, so I really got this to match this stationery box that I already have on my shelf in the office. So that kind of natural look you know, really nice. That can be a nice gift set for someone actually. Again, really lovely. Can't really go wrong. £1 for this, guys. Absolutely amazing, amazing. Now I did see something similar to this in Tesco, and it was actually £3.50. So again, it's a no-brainer really. Come on guys, seriously. So next up, I found these in Poundland. These are A3 frames. They're a lot better than the quality that they had before. Actually going to do a separate video, so keep your eyes peeled for that, on some Poundland hacks. Poundland hacks for around the home, and I'm going to be using 1 or 2 of these frames. These came in at £1 each as well in Poundland, guys. Okay, so next up from the garden section, I got this foil bunting. You get 3 meters of bunting there, and I thought that was a really good idea. I just thought I'd pick that up. You know, we can have our own when we're having a barbecue in the garden, just dress the barbecue up. And yeah, they had other ones as well. There's a yellow one, but I can't remember what the design was for that. But because I've got this whole leaf vibe going on, I thought I'd just get the leaf one, and I might go back and get another one actually, so I can have it all the way around the garden when we're having our barbecue. So the next item that I picked up, which is in the DIY section, is this black spray paint project in the house that I need to use this on. So I picked that up, and this is £1, and you get 90 grams of spray paint in there. I used this spray paint in my office on the baskets, and it turned out really well. I'm going to use this for another project around the house as well. So that's that, and that's £1 in Poundland. Next up in the garden section, I picked up this 6-pack of burger boxes. So, you know, the whole lockdown thing, I know McDonald's and a lot of the takeaway stores are open now, but we've been doing our own McDonald's, and we're going to continue doing that. This is absolutely fantastic to put little Oakley's burger in for him, and to make up like our own DIY McDonald's at home. So that's a brilliant idea, and also great for picnics as well. So I've got those. Okay, so next up, I picked up a couple of items for Father's Day. Now, unfortunately, my local Poundland didn't really have much for Father's Day. I have done a little clip on my Come Shop With Me video of my local Poundland on what they actually have for Father's Day. So I've just picked up this, which is like a cast iron spanner. It's actually a bottle opener. So I thought I'd get that for hubby, put inside his gift set. So Oakley picked this up, put it in the basket. You know, you pay for it at the till and you think, gosh, I'll put it back. But then he was like, you know, I said, let's just take it. So I got that as well. So he picked this up. It's a chef hat, and it's got caution, Dad cooking. To be fair, hubby cooks a lovely meal, delicious meal, so there's no caution there. But I thought I'd just show you a few of the items that they have for Father's Day there. Okay, so the last item that I'm going to show you guys, now wait for it. I always save the best to last. So if you're watching any of my videos, I advise that you watch it to the end, because otherwise you'll miss out. You miss out on all the goodies. So honestly, I was a bit stunned when I saw this in Poundland, that I had to get it. I don't know where I'm going to put it, but I just had to get it, you know. So this one was the big ticket item from Poundland. This one cost £5, but it's absolutely worth the £5 if you ask me. So let me show you guys. Look at this. Look at this birdcage, guys. Look at this vintage kind of style birdcage. Now, I'm actually going to do a DIY on this. I'm going to jazz it up a little bit. You know, you're probably thinking, why do you need to jazz it up? It looks perfect as it is. But I'm going to put my Amanda magic on this and do a DIY. So keep your eyes peeled for that video also. But look at this, guys. This came in at £5 in Poundland, and it's absolutely worth it, and I absolutely love it. So, okay, so that's the last item from my Poundland haul, guys. Now, do I need to even ask you what your favourite item was? And I know everyone's got their own taste, but mine definitely was the last item, which is this birdcage. I absolutely love it. So please let me know which of the items was your favourite. So again, thank you so much for watching, guys. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And don't forget to click on the notification bell to be notified of when I post my next video. And share the love, guys. Share the love. I really appreciate all of you watching and all of your support. Love you all. Take care. See you on the next one. Bye.